Hello everyone, this is Bill. I'm posting this video and hoping that you'll be able to help me. I recently had some damage to my home. Unfortunately, the insurance will not pay for all of this. I need your help. Please help me. Everything you see in this room will have to be thrown away. My personal books, this was a spare room for me, and everything in this room has to be thrown away. Everything. So please, people, help me out here. This room is totally destroyed, and though yes, I have insurance, the insurance I have will not cover all the work that needs to be done. It's far too expensive. So please help me. Please help me.